Om Shanti, very good morning to one and all. Today we will go through Abhyakt Murli, that is 10th November 1987. Today the revised date is 28 February 2021. Heading of the Murli, शुभ चिंतक मणि बन विश्व को चिंता से मुक्त करो. Become a jewels of good wishes and liberate the world from worry. Become a jewels of good wishes. शुभ चिंतक मणि बन, शुभ चिंतक गुड विशेष मणि ज्वेल्स एंड लिबरेट द वर्ल्ड फ्रॉम ओरी, और विश्व को चिंताओं से मुक्त करो. आज रत्नाकर बाप अपने चारों ओर के विशेष शुभ चिंतक मणियों को देख रहे हैं. टुडे द फादर, द ज्वेल्स मर्चेंट, is looking at his special jewels of good wishes everywhere. रत्नाकर बाप की मणियां विश्व में अपनी शुभ चिंतक किरणों से प्रकाश कर रही है. His special jewels of good wishes, the jewels of the Father, the jewels merchant are bringing light into the world with their rays of good wishes, because in today's world of artificial sparkle, all souls are jewels of worry. क्योंकि आज की इस आर्टिफिशियल चमक वाले विश्व में सर्व आत्माएं चिंतामणि है. ऐसे अल्पकाल की चमकने वाली चिंतामणियों को आप शुभ चिंतक मणियां अपने शुभ चिंतन की शक्ति द्वारा परिवर्तन कर रही हो. टुडे, बिकॉज इन टुडेज वर्ल्ड ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल स्पार्कल, all souls are jewels of worry. With your power of good wishes, you jewels of good wishes are transforming such jewels of worry who only sparkle temporarily. Just as rays of the sun dispel darkness over a long distance, in the same way the sparkle and rays of good wishes of you, jewels of good wishes, are spreading everywhere in the world. Nowadays, many souls think that some spiritual light is carrying out its tasks in an incognito way. However, they do not know from where this light is carrying out its tasks. They have begun to have a touching that there is someone. Eventually, by searching, they will gradually reach this place. So this touching is of the sparkle of the elevated thoughts of you, jewels of good wishes. Bap Dada is seeing the sparkle of the jewels on each child's forehead, because you are sparkling number wise. All of you are jewels of good wishes, but the sparkle is number wise. जैसे सूर्य की किरणें दूर दूर तक अंधकार को मिटाती है, ऐसे आप शुभ चिंतक मणियों की शुभ संकल्प रूपी चमक कहो, किरणें कहो, विश्व के चारों ओर फैल रही है. आजकल कई आत्माएं समझती है कि कोई स्पिरिचुअल लाइट गुप्त रूप में अपना कार्य कर रही है, लेकिन ये लाइट कहाँ से ये कार्य कर रही है वो जान नहीं सकते. कोई है, यहाँ तक टचिंग होनी शुरू हो गई है. आखिर ढूंढते ढूंढते स्थान पर पहुँच ही जाएंगे. तो यह टचिंग आप शुभ चिंतक मणियों की श्रेष्ठ संकल्प की चमक है. बाप दादा हर एक बच्चे के मस्तक द्वारा मणि की चमक को देखते हैं, क्योंकि नंबर बार चमकने वाले हैं. हे सभी शुभ चिंतक मणियाँ, लेकिन चमक नंबर बार है. बाप दादा इज सीइंग द स्पार्कल ऑफ द ज्वेल्स ऑन ईच चाइल्ड्स फॉरहेड, because you are sparkling number wise. All of you are jewels of good wishes, but the sparkle is number wise. शुभ चिंतक बनना यही सहज रूप की मनसा सेवा है. To be one who has good wishes is an easy way for you to serve with your mind every Brahmin soul and souls without knowledge, and you can do this while walking and moving around. यही सहज रूप की मनसा सेवा है जो चलते फिरते हर ब्राह्मण आत्मा व अनजान आत्माओं के प्रति कर सकते हो. आप सबके शुभ चिंतक बनने के वाइब्रेशन वायुमंडल को व चिंतामणि आत्मा की वृत्ति को बहुत सहज परिवर्तन कर देंगे। Baba is telling now the vibration of all of you well-wisher will very easily transform the atmosphere and the attitude of souls who are beads of worry in the lives of human beings everywhere today, whether through people or possessions, because of having selfish motives, because of having some temporary attainment through their profession. People experience some elevated attainment for a short time. However, their temporary happiness changes into worry after a short time. That is, possession and people are not the means to end their worries, but become instrument to create more worry. Souls who are distressed with one worry or another are able to see very few souls who have such good wishes. Even contact for a short time with souls who have good wishes become the basis of all their worries coming to an end. So today the world needs such well-wishing souls. This is why you souls, you jewels of good wishes, are extremely loved by the world. When they come into contact with you, they feel that they cannot see anyone else with such good wishes anywhere in the world. Today, pure thoughts are the main basis of always having good wishes. शुभ चिंतक सदा रहे, इसका विशेष आधार है शुभ चिंतन. Those whose thoughts are always pure will definitely always have good wishes. If there are sometimes waste thoughts or thoughts of other, you cannot constantly have good wishes. Well-wishing souls are able to finish other souls' waste thoughts and thoughts of other. So the powerful treasurer store of pure thoughts for every elevated server, that is of the jewels of good wishes, will be constantly full. It is because they are constantly full that they are always able to have good wishes for others. To be a well-wisher means to be full of all the jewels of knowledge. Only such souls are able to become bestowers who are full of knowledge and always have good wishes for others. Therefore, check throughout the day, do I have more pure thoughts and good wishes, or do I spend more time in thoughts of others? Someone who has pure thoughts will constantly stay in the intoxication of being full, and with his form of well-wisher will be able to give these to others and fill them, because someone who has waste thoughts and thoughts of other is always empty. He will experience himself to be weak, and this is why he is unable to have good wishes or capable of giving them to others. At present, there is a need for jewels of good wishes who can become instrument to finish everyone's worries and be able to make souls experienced with the method of having good wishes instead of worries. Where there are pure thoughts, worries automatically end. So you are constantly doing incognito service by being one with good wishes, are you not? You have made plans for unlimited world service. The way to easily make these plans successful is to have the stage of a well-wisher. Many varieties of soul will come into connection and have a relationship with you. To have good wishes for such souls means to give wings of courage to such souls, because their wings of courage, zeal and enthusiasm have become weak from being on the pyre of worry. The good wishes of you well-wisher souls will fill their wings with power, and on the basis of your feelings of good wishes, they will begin to fly, that is, they will become cooperative. Those souls have become disheartened and wonder whether they have the power to create a better world. How would those who are unable to make themselves something make the world something? They consider it to be very difficult to change the world because they have seen the present result of all the different authorities and they therefore consider it to be difficult. Your power of good wishes will make the hearts of such disheartened souls and souls who are sitting on the pyre of worry happy, just as the slightest support of even a straw makes a drowning soul happy hearted and gives him courage. Your stage of having good wishes will enable them to experience some support, and souls who are burning will have the experience of cool water. Those souls, those are having that burning, they will experience the feeling of cool water. Okay, so Baba giving today blessing. May you be a master seed who gives all souls the donation of power. May you be a master seed who gives all souls the donation of powers. सर्व आत्माओं को शक्तियों का दान देने वाले मास्टर बीजरूप भव। सर्व आत्माओं को शक्तियों का दान देने वाले मास्टर बीजरूप भव। May you be a master seed who gives all souls the donation of power. So donate once again to all the devotee, to the souls, the leaves who have dried up and wilt, the donation of power with your stage of the seed form. The basis of enabling them to experience all attainment is your stage of being ignorant of the knowledge of all desires. When you yourself are ignorant of the knowledge of all desires, you will then be able to fulfill everyone's desire. To be ignorant of the knowledge of desire means to have an extremely powerful stage of the seed form. So become a master seed and hear the call of the devotees and enable them to have some attainment. Today's slogan: सदा सुप्रीम रूहों की छत्र छाया में रहना ही अलौकिक जीवन की सेफ्टी का साधन है। To stay constantly under the canopy of protection of the Supreme Spirit is to experience the safety of your अलौकिक लाइफ। वेरी नाइस। सदा सुप्रीम रूहों की छत्र छाया में रहना ही अलौकिक जीवन की सेफ्टी का साधन है। सदा सुप्रीम रूह की छत्र छाया में रहना ही अलौकिक जीवन की सेफ्टी का साधन है। टू स्टे कंस्टेंटली अंडर द कैनोपी ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ द सुप्रीम स्पिरिट इज टू एक्सपीरियंस द सेफ्टी ऑफ योर अलौकिक लाइफ। सर्व आत्माओं को शक्तियों का दान देने वाले मास्टर बीजरूप भव। मे यू बी ए मास्टर सीड हु गिव्स ऑल सोल्स द डोनेशन ऑफ द पावर। ओम शांति। हैव ए गुड डे। गॉड ब्लेस यू।